Okay, so you see the wave of the vocal
Bends
fold.
first.
You actually see it moving. This is a video taken by a strobe light. Okay, that was supposed to be. So you actually see it moving this way. Okay?
Oh! Huh?
Okay, that's what's happening when you speak. Okay.
Wala ka pa
So
sa
you
tono.
see, if your pitch is lower, your vocal folds are shorter and stouter. As the patient is asked to give a higher pitch, it lengthens and they come closer together. Okay, this area. Okay, sorry.
Oo nga no.
Here. Take note of this area. The anterior, this is your anterior, that's your posterior. Between your anterior two-thirds and between the posterior two-thirds and anterior one-third, this is a very common site for nodules to develop.
May ganun ako.
Why?
Ikaw may
See
notes
the
ako.
first. Okay.
Gusto mo makita yung akin? Feel ko may notes ako.